Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to create multiple tasks from the CRM. So let's see about it. You can see here our module, the project task. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM, go to anyone and see here this button for create task. Click on add your project like office design, add date like a 31st. Now click on this create task button. So see here now your task is created from the CRM. See here your project name. Deadline is 31st and leave is also displayed here. Device for 150 TBs. Thank you.